Hey guys, this is the Tapo C100 unboxing. This camera sells a lot on Amazon because it's very affordable. It's a small camera with motion detection, night vision, 1080p high resolution. It works with the SD card so you can record locally, and also works with Alexa and Google. Okay, let me just unbox so you see what's inside. There we go. Let me just put the box aside here so you see what you have. Basically here the quick start guide that shows the installation and other instructions. You can install your camera onto a wall using the screws and the anchors, right? And here there's a template for that. And here the camera itself, right? So here you see a lens and then a LED to show that the camera is working. There's also a microphone here in front of the camera and a slot for the SD card, so you can install an SD card, and also a reset button, right? Right here, you have also a speaker, so it's a camera with a bi-directional audio. On the top, you see the logo, and here you see the base, so basically you can just move the way, okay? And you can install onto a wall, or you can use on a desk, just like this. Of course, you just need to connect to power. That's why it comes with the power supply. There we go. Power supply. And then the screws and anchors for installation. So you have it here. And another one here. And there we go. Okay. So basically a Tapo smart camera. So you can use and record locally. Record also on the cloud. And it works pretty fine because this sells a lot on Amazon and you can get yours there.